In India, we have a deep-rooted menace of VIP culture. The VIPs, particularly the politicians, are given special treatment of various kinds, one such being policemen given as gunmen to politicians. Now, in most of the situations,
Rupama, IPS officer, I'll tell you one thing, that these gunmen are peeling orange in Madurai. In Madurai SP office, superintendent office, they are well known for peeling orange and collecting bribe for the for the officer. I met one officer, that is ADSP, Gopal Swami. He is not even IPS officer. He is having one gunman who is peeling orange for him, keeping the walkie-talkie and the gun. He can't remove it. It will be in his belt. But he keeps the walkie-talkie on the floor, sits on the floor and peels orange for ADSP Gopal Swami. And this ADSP Gopal Swami is so much corrupt that he is talking to me in my presence as if I am an illiterate goose. He is talking to me and asking inspectors of police, you bring that man for inquiry, you bring this fellow for inquiry. But nobody is bringing, because they know that this fellow is taking 50,000 rupees, 1 lakh rupees bribe. In my case, I told him that if you ask me bribe, I will give you 5,000 only. But if you catch my, the accused in my case is one sub-inspector Rajkumar and Malechami. My case grievance is referred to by IGP, Mr. Abhay Kumar Singh or some other officer, North Indian, to ADSP. The ADSP, I told him that he is a briber. I know him, I face. I told him I'll give you 5,000 rupees, I can't give more. But if you ask that fellow, my accused tenant, he will give you 50,000 rupees. So you better take him and give a verdict to him. I mean, give your answer to IGP. IGP is not going to come. He's a honest man. He is sitting somewhere. He is sitting not somewhere. He is sitting about 2 kilometers away from the SP office. Tell ma. Very good ma. I'm with you.
most of the cases, even when there is no real threat, even when there is no specific threat, gunmen are given as status symbols. And the more the gunmen, the higher the status it is perceived. And it's not an exaggeration at all that many a time, most of these gunmen are used as boys to run errands. I was posted as the Deputy Commissioner of Police, Bengaluru City Armed Reserve, and my job was to supervise man management, personnel deployment, and therefore I took stock of the situation as to where my boys had been deployed. And to my utter shock, I found that a number of politicians, the public representatives, the MLAs, MPs, MLCs and so on, had kept gunmen in excess of the authorized number they were supposed to keep.
Mama, I'll tell you, Rupa, IPS Amma. See, these gunmen are nothing but their own partymen. They are given a good post and everything. If they send this their fellows, followers to the police station or somewhere, they will take the work left and right. So they have been given as a gunmen to politicians and others, VVIPs. And their job is only to peel oranges. And I'll tell you, you are a woman, I don't have a shame or anything to tell you this secret. These gunmen are used to bring a woman for male leaders. This is democracy. Democracy knows more ways. You are an IPS strict officer, you know only one way. But they know side routes. Like that, ma. I have suffered in Tamil Nadu police at least with 7-8 grievance petitions, ma. And these IPS officers, I don't say that. These lawyer wing people, one inspector Annaraj is there in Tirumangalam. And they are not idiots. They are clever to escape from the situation. They filed one FIR against me and they came to arrest me. I told him that you don't have any power to arrest me because it is a woman case, Tamil Nadu woman harassment. Woman, one State Bank manager and deputy manager has given false complaint against me and given bribe also to that Inspector Sivaraman, Sub-Inspector Sivaraman and Ramakrishnan. They wrote one nonsense on the FIR and they are not giving copy also to me. Simply they are coming to my house and then I told him that you want bribe, I will give you. I said that I gave 2,500 rupees because this fellow came inside the house with my gun, with his gun. I can't refuse, otherwise he will shoot me down. Ma, you are IPS officer. I know you are honest and law-abiding. If you come to Madurai, please come to my yoga center, Pachari Yoga International Trust. Or if you care to see my tweet on yoga and politics, how I am suffering with the FIRs, and the police fellows are writing some nonsense in their letter and asking me to come 10 o'clock tomorrow for inquiry. I can't go, but I have support of High Court judges. They gave, the High Court direction and warrants against the inspector also. I'm thankful for the video and I'm thankful for joining Rupa D. Modgill, IPS. Okay, ma. This is India, ma. India, everything will happen. But I found that you are very bold enough to put your views on the YouTube, ma. And I found that you have boldly put Sasikala's, house drama in the prison. Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma. Sir. Hello, sir. Hello, Mr. Chief Justice of Madras Bench, High Court. Please see this tweet, sir. This OS 30 of 2014 on file with the ADM at Tirumangalam is a false case that amounts to running with 3 lakh pending cases in India, sir. Please immediately go through the vigilance letter, sir. Vigilance has given a letter that is numbered as 583 2019 against this Basat Begum, sir. See, there are allegations against A. Basat Begum. Then third additional district municip Tirumangalam, now sub-judge at Melur. This letter, vigilance letter, is dated 27th day of August 2019, sir. This letter is addressed to me, Surendranath Pachari, at Madurai, sir. Please see immediately and place this Basat Begum and another judge, S. Muthukumaravel, immediately in suspension and dismissal, sir. It is a fit case. It is a fit case where you can dismiss even the advocate S. Murugadas and G. Adaikalam, sir. Please immediately follow this and send me the relief, sir. I have lost 10 lakh rupees by way of default in rent, sir. This OS 30 of 2014 on file with the ADM court at Tirumangalam is utterly false, nonsense that cannot stand in the judicial path. You are the first officer in Tamil Nadu, sir. I request you to immediately place the 2 judges and 3 advocates immediately on suspension, sir.
सर्वधर्मान् परित्यज्य माम्येकं शरणं व्रजः अहं त्वां सर्वपापेभ्यो मोक्षयिष्यामि मा शुचः.
यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिः भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम्.